Hi everyone, today we have an parcel, so we are gonna do unboxing. I will tell you what's in it. It contains full of foreign currencies, mostly normal common collections available. Let's quickly open up. So let's quickly open. Inside this we have another cover. Okay, okay, let's quickly open this. Yeah, you can see these are the notes I have ordered. Let's quickly check on. Let's quickly open up. Okay, let's take another. That's all, guys. Sooner these will be available on our website for sale. Do check out. Link is in our profile bio and YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.